we are at the front of my van at my hometown of Secret Harbour in Western Australia. Today I'm going to talk about the BBQ Arm. I first saw the BBQ Arm in use at the 80 Mile Beach in Western Australia when we were camping there 2 years ago. And I thought, wow, that is so simple and easy. Much easier to do than getting out the table. Put my BBQ on it, set it all up, and when finished cooking, clean it and pack it away again. So I purchased a BBQ Arm from Caravan RV Camping, and I then sent it up. And I'll show you how simple it is to set up and why I recommend it. I'll put the BBQ there. And by the way, it doesn't have to be a BBQ. It can be any of the other type of cooking ones like the Ziggy, etc. The plate that it sits on here, this holds on with a simple thumb screw. It's an alloy so it doesn't rust, easy to clean the grease off. This is the arm itself, which here you can raise or lower or move around. That's how simple that is. The whole thing is very simple. And of course you've then got this one mounting item here. No screws, no holes are drilled or anything. And you have two bolts that hold it on the A-frame and you travel with it. So as I said, it's very simple. That's why I bought it. I can very simply just straight back in at the angle I want, place the plate on it, then put my BBQ or whatever cooking item we have there. Thank you for your time.